Hello dear fans. What is the largest volcano in Russia? The largest and at the same time active volcano in Russia is Klyachevskaya Sopka. Its height exceeds 4,800 meters, and there is a dangerous facility on the Kamchatka Peninsula. The age of this volcano, according to researchers, is about 7,000 years. Over the past 200 years alone, more than 50 of its eruptions have occurred. Historical facts. Researchers have not been able to establish the exact size of Klyachevskaya Sopka. This is due primarily to the constant activity of the volcano. During each eruption, these figures increase. However, despite some inconsistency, Klyachevskaya Sopka holds the record for height, yielding only to several Western competitors. This is the largest volcano in Russia. Volcano Klyachevskaya Sopka is a natural UNESCO World Heritage Site. Volcano Klyachevskaya Sopka is located on an area characterized by a huge number of geothermal springs. It got its name thanks to the Klyachevka River, near which it is located. Local residents consider Klyachevskaya Sopka a sacred place. In their opinion, it was from the giant volcano that the birth of the world began. The first mention of the hill was recorded in the 1690s. Climbing to its top is hampered by the activity of craters. During the entire existence of the volcano, only a few expeditions were able to accomplish this. Most of the attempts ended in tragedies. The discoverer of Klyachevskaya Sopka was the explorer V. Atlasov, who, in addition to the discovery of the volcano itself, also became the first scientist who came to the Kamchatka Peninsula. Volcano activity. Klyachevskaya Sopka is a huge ideal-shaped cone covered with a thick layer of ice and snow. As a result of constant eruptions, several dozen additional craters were formed. At the moment, there are more than 70 of them. The volcano is composed of andesite and basaltic lava. The eruptions of the hill are recorded at a volcanological station specially built in 1935. From 1727 to 1731, Klyachevskaya Sopka was distinguished by unique activity. The volcano spewed flames almost continuously. This fact is confirmed by local residents. Clouds of gases and vapors are a constant phenomenon for Klyachevskaya Sopka. The smoke changes its intensity, indicating the constant activity of the volcano. Violent lava eruptions occur regularly. The hill is at rest, as a rule, for several years. Explosions are carried out almost continuously. Volcanic bombs and ash spread over thousands of kilometers across the surrounding areas. By the way, it is the bombs that the volcano throws out that most often cause the death of inexperienced climbers who decided to conquer the top of Klyachevskaya Sopka. Several cases were recorded when bombs hit the tents of researchers who were staying overnight. Thanks for watching.